Tamil Nadu is a state in southern India, with a rich and vibrant history that spans over several millennia. Here is a brief overview of the history of Tamil Nadu. Ancient period. The earliest known civilization in Tamil Nadu dates back to the 3rd century BCE, with the rise of the Sangam era, a period of great cultural and literary achievement. The Sangam period saw the development of Tamil literature, art, and architecture, and the creation of a distinct Tamil identity. Medieval period. Tamil Nadu was ruled by various dynasties in the medieval period, including the Cholas, Pandyas, and Cheras. The Chola dynasty, in particular, was known for its naval power and extensive trade links with other countries. Colonial period. In the 16th century, Tamil Nadu was colonized by various European powers, including the Portuguese, Dutch, and British. The British established the Madras Presidency, which included the modern-day states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh. Independence and post-independence period. Tamil Nadu played a significant role in the Indian independence movement, with leaders such as C. Rajagopalachari, K. Kamaraj, and M. K. Gandhi hailing from the state. After independence, Tamil Nadu became a separate state in 1956. Today, Tamil Nadu is known for its rich cultural heritage, with a vibrant tradition of music, dance, and literature. The state is also a major center of industry and technology, with many major companies having their headquarters or operations here. The temples of Tamil Nadu, including the Brihadiswarar Temple in Thanjavur and the Meenakshi Amman Temple in Madurai, are also major tourist attractions, known for their stunning architecture and religious significance. Here are some of the things that make Tamil Nadu special. Temples. Tamil Nadu is home to some of the most ancient and spectacular temples in India, such as the Meenakshi Amman Temple in Madurai, the Brihadiswarar Temple in Thanjavur, and the Kapaleswarar Temple in Chennai. These temples are not only architectural marvels but also important religious and cultural centers. Culture. Tamil Nadu has a rich cultural heritage, with a long history of literature, music, dance, and art. The state is famous for its classical dance forms such as Bharatanatyam and folk dances such as Karagattam and Mayalatham. The state is also known for its vibrant music scene, with Carnatic music being one of its most famous contributions to Indian classical music. Beaches. Tamil Nadu has a long coastline dotted with beautiful beaches such as Marina Beach in Chennai, Mahabalipuram Beach, and Kovalam Beach. These beaches offer a range of activities such as swimming, surfing, and beach volleyball. Food. Tamil Nadu is known for its unique and delicious cuisine, with a wide variety of vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Some of the most popular dishes include dosa, idli, vada, sambar, and rasam. The state is also famous for its filter coffee, which is made from freshly roasted and ground coffee beans. Industry and technology. Tamil Nadu is a major center of industry and technology in India, with many major companies having their headquarters or operations here. The state is particularly known for its automobile industry and is home to factories of companies such as Ford, BMW, and Hyundai. Overall, Tamil Nadu is a state with a rich history, vibrant culture, beautiful landscapes, and a strong economy, making it a must-visit destination for travelers and tourists. Tamil Nadu has a vibrant and active political scene, with a number of parties and leaders vying for power and influence. Here are some of the key aspects of politics in Tamil Nadu. Dravidian movement. The Dravidian movement, which emerged in the early 20th century, has played a significant role in Tamil Nadu politics. The movement sought to promote Tamil culture and language and challenge the dominance of Brahmins and North Indian culture in the state. The two major political parties in Tamil Nadu, the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam (DMK), and the All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam (AIADMK), are both rooted in the Dravidian movement. Regional parties. Tamil Nadu is one of the few states in India where regional parties have dominated the political scene. The DMK and the AIADMK have been the major players in the state for several decades, with other smaller parties also playing a role. Caste and religion. Caste and religion continue to play a significant role in Tamil Nadu politics, with parties and leaders often seeking to appeal to specific communities. The state has a large number of Dalits, who have been historically oppressed, and parties often try to appeal to them. National politics. Tamil Nadu has also been a significant player in national politics, with its leaders often playing important roles in the formation of national governments. M.G. Ramachandran, a former actor and the founder of the AIADMK, served as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and later became a prominent national leader. Recent developments. In recent years, Tamil Nadu politics has seen several important developments, such as the death of longtime Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha and the rise of new leaders such as TTV Dinakaran. The state also saw significant protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, in 2019 and 2020. Overall, politics in Tamil Nadu is complex and dynamic, with a rich history and many important players.